Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS. This bike only has 518 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's got the real nice red and black that they stopped making a couple years ago. Has a couple little minor scratches here on the fairing, just a little, hardly even noticeable. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change on it, safety check, and she's all dialed in, ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Again, only 518 miles. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.